Welcome learners to Form 4 Mathematics. I'd like us to look at statistics and specifically variance and standard deviation of ungrouped data. I've done a question on variance and standard deviation of grouped data. It is there in the channel, but now I want to do for ungrouped data. Okay, let us look at this example, learner. Given the following numbers, these numbers 57, 55, 62, 52, 54, 45, 57, and 66. The first question is find the mean. Find the mean. To get the mean of these numbers, learner, you just need to add these numbers and then you divide by what? By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 numbers. So you get their total sum, divide by 8. And therefore the mean, learner, is given by 57 plus 55 plus 62, 52, learner, 54, 45 plus 57 and 66. Divide by what, learner? Divide by 8. The numbers are 8. So that is the working, and write all that to show the working. So this gives us 448 over 8, learner, which gives us what? 56. So the mean is 56. From there, learner, you are told find the variance and the standard deviation of that data. What is the variance and the standard deviation? Learner, how do you find variance? Maybe I can write it here. Variance of ungrouped data. The formula is sum of b squared. Look at that, learner. Sum of d squared or summation of d squared over a, where d is what, learner? Where d is x, the values that you have there, each of the values, minus x bar. X bar means mean, learner, the mean that you've just calculated up here. Its symbol is x bar, this one here, x bar. So learner, let us come and do it. So the first, and then what is n? N is referring to all the values, the number of values that you are dealing with. Like now here in this set, we are dealing with 8 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are dealing with 8. Higher. So let us use this table. Here, let us write x. X refers to each of these numbers. So you have 57, 55, 62, 52, 54, 45, 57, and 66. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is our x. Then from there, learner, you come and put your d. D is equals to x minus x bar, which means in this case d is x minus what? 56. 56 was our mean. Okay, so we fill in this column, learner. So we talk of 57 minus 56 gives us 1, x minus x bar. 55 minus 56 gives us minus 1. 62 minus 56 gives us 6. This gives us minus 4. This gives us minus 2. This gives us minus 11. This gives us 1. 57 minus 56, learner, gives us 1. 66 minus 56 gives us 10. Good. And we are through with that column. Then, learner, we need d squared. D squared. What is d squared? It is x minus x bar squared. So we can just write d squared. You square the d. Square this, you get 1. Minus 1 squared, learner, is 1. That is minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. 6 squared, that is 6. Negative 4 squared, 16. This gives us 4. This is 121, learner. This is 1. And this is 100. Look at that. From there, learner, our formula of variance, remember, is summation of b squared over n. So we now get the sum. I can write it down here. Sum of b squared, learner. Sum of b squared, you take your calculator, you add all these, learner. Add all those, you should get 280. 280. And therefore, learner, variance of this data, what we call variance of this data, is equals to sum of d squared over n, which is equals to what, learner? 280 divided by the number of values. We are saying that we have 8 of them. 8 divided by 8, which gives us 35. That is the variance. Good. If you are told to find what we call the standard deviation, learner, standard deviation, this is the same as square root of variance. Just that, learner. You have the variance, get it squared, and therefore this is equal to square root of 35, which gives us 5.916. This is our standard deviation. I hope I'm clear. Remember, learner, variance is got by summation of d squared over n, where d, look at this, learner, d is x minus x bar. You must master this. D is equals to x minus x bar. So you come and make your table. Here you fix your values. They are x. You fix them there. Here you make a column for d, which is x minus x bar, x minus 56. Then you square the d. Finally get the sum of d squared, which is that. Finally, to get the variance, divide the sum of d squared over the number of values that you're dealing with to get that. Standard deviation, learner, is variance, square root of variance, which is that, which is finally equals to that. All the best, learner. God bless you as you practice this. Thank you.